cuties, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. The last time I posted this Savannah haul right here, you guys really liked it. So today I woke up and I randomly decided that I should make a winter wear haul from Savannah. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. I have got some really cool pieces from there recently and I have been obsessed. So I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'm also going to mention a discount code at the end of this video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start with this sweatshirt that you must have seen me wearing 1,000 times already on my Instagram as well as my YouTube channel. I love it. I think it's like the perfect sweatshirt. I wanted a grey sweatshirt for the longest time, and this one really lived up to the hype because it's super comfortable and cozy. I also really like how it's very minimal looking from the front, but at the back it has got this really cool graphic thingy going on, which makes it look really chic as well. This one also has got like a fleece lining, so it's extremely warm and cozy. And you know, the thing with sweatshirts is that it's really difficult to find that perfect fit. Like, I really struggle to find that perfect fit, and I like my sweatshirts to be a little oversized like this. So I usually have to get a few sizes bigger than my usual size when it comes to sweatshirts and hoodies as well. But I am wearing this in S, which is my usual size. I usually wear an XS or S, and this is absolutely perfect. Like, it has got that perfect laid back effortless sort of a fit, and I love it. Okay, next up, I have got this black and white collared sweater. I have actually had this sweater for a year and I have worn it so many times already. This was actually one of my first purchases from Savannah last year, and I have washed this sweater also so many times at this point, and it's still as good as new. And it is this year that I saw this sweater, this exact design, going viral everywhere, especially on Pinterest. Like, all the cool girlies are wearing this style of sweater these days, and this is absolutely perfect because it's very cozy, it's very comfortable, it's warm as well, and it's also super versatile, I feel, because I personally like styling this sweater in a very casual sort of a way because I feel like that's more my vibe on a usual day. But if your vibe is more old money, I think this sweater fits right into that theme as well, because you can style this with a pair of black trousers, a belt and boots. So in case if you want to invest in like a wardrobe basic, a sweater that you can style over the years, because this is definitely a classic at this point, you should totally get this. It's really cozy, comfortable and stylish as well. Okay, up next I have got this white puffer jacket, and let me tell you why I had to get this. I actually got this like 2-3 days back itself. I am back in my hometown Siliguri, and I've been here for the past 2 weeks or so, and it's super cold out here, and I did not have any jacket in my wardrobe that's warm enough to keep me comfortable in this weather right here, which is why I decided to get this jacket. And trust me, this is so good. Let me actually put this on. Look at this. I have never been a fan of puffer jackets, but this one is perfect. It has got the perfect fit, it has got the perfect length, and it's super warm, it's super comfortable and cozy. It's also so soft, which makes me feel really comfortable. My mom told me that this looks like a size bigger on me. I had to get this in S because it was not available in XS, but I like the fit. I think it's a little oversized and I like it this way, and because it's a little oversized, I can also layer this with a sweater inside in case if it gets too cold. So yeah, I think I really like it. I would suggest all of you to go for your usual size in case if you plan on getting this puffer jacket. Also, I posted this video on Instagram yesterday itself, which is all about how you can style puffer jackets, what are the do's and don'ts of styling puffer jackets. So do watch it in case if you feel confused on how to style your puffer jackets and look chic and cute at the same time. I also got this varsity jacket, and I love varsity jackets. I feel like something about varsity jackets are so cool and chic, and when I saw this online, I liked everything about it, be it the color combination, the silhouette, the design and everything. And I also really like the fact that it has got an A right here. I like everything about this, even in real, except for the length, which is a little too big for me. I don't know if you can make it out on camera or not, but it's a little too big for me, which makes it look really disproportionate on my body. So yeah, in case if you're not a shorty like me, I'm 5'2" just for your reference, then you can totally get this jacket, because the only problem with it is its length. It's super comfortable, it's really warm as well, and it looks really chic and cool. it's a bummer that it does not look good on me. Okay, moving on, I have got this butter yellow cardigan, and again, you must have seen me wearing this so many times already in my videos. And I love it. It is so cute. It is so soft girl coded. I love the bows that it has got out here, and also this entire front tie-up bow situation is so in trend right now. So the minute I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I have to get this because this looks so cute, and it's also super cozy, comfortable, and warm again. You also get this in two other colors, if I'm not wrong, pink and lilac. And I've been loving wearing this with like a plain white t-shirt underneath, but in case if it's too cold at your place, you can also style this with a white turtleneck inside. So I really like wearing this sweater as a simple cardigan. As you all can see, I just open up the bows in the front and tie it at the back. I don't know if you can see, but you get what I'm saying, right? And that makes it look like a normal cardigan, and I love it, which makes this a really versatile piece as well. Lastly, I got this plain white sweater because I wanted a plain white sweater for the longest time. It's a wardrobe staple again. You can style this by wearing it as a layer or even as a standalone piece. It's super cozy, comfortable, and warm, and it has got the perfect fit. It has got the perfect length again, and it's super soft too. I think basic sweaters like this can never go wrong. You can style it with accessories like scarves, caps, and so many other things with jackets on top, or you can also wear this with like a pair of flared pants and it looks cool as it is. This one is also available in a lot of other solid colors like red, black, and all of that. So in case if you want some basic sweaters for yourself, you guys should totally check this one out. And that's all for today's video. Let me know which piece did you like the most in the comments below. You can also use my coupon code right here for some extra discounts on Savannah. I'll put all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next Saturday, and until then, bye.